What's up, guys? What an amazing day. Today we will start on trading in actual option. Actually, I've been very busy this day because I and the team for a long time we are focused to try to make a robot that kind of help people on to trading. uh, the work still on the process. It's really take a lot of times onto this making the robot. So we also working on the website about the robot as well. So I hope that the work will be going smoothly and our team can make this work possible. Anyway, we will be back onto our trading. Today I just want to update you about the trading technique that I am going to use on this robot. You know, the robot that's going to release pretty soon. Uh, I think maybe in a couple weeks, I hope, so that everything will be ready for you so that you can use our service about the robot, because the robot will will give you the signal based on what I am trading in an actual market. Okay, so what is technique that I use normally in trading? So as you observe, every single day when I enter the market, I always look into the type of the market that have a very persist, strong trend. So if you are not in a hurry, so you must look into this persist strong trend. Look, the trend should look something like this, for example. So this bot will also offer an option of an auto trading, or you can use it as a signal every time that the robot given a signal of bullish or bearish, then you can make another consideration for the trade, because still you still have flaw, still have some mistake in the robot, because everything is not perfect. And even though we are trading in the market that we are facing every single day, it's also not perfect. So I also confess that there are still some day I lost also, and someday that I win the money back also. So it's really not consistent if you don't have the knowledge. But with knowledge, it's really sometime you lose, so you just accept that, but in the next day you can recover back the money. For example, right here we see this candle rejection with the shooting star, and the trend is really strong trend. We don't see any strong support down there. It's really possible that you can go on to bearish into this candle. Let me go and just to show you in case. I really feel that this market should be should be falling down a little more before it's hit its support. Like I just draw the line here. So this is a support. So once it hit that support, there will be some sort of a reject down there. But when the market, when the price pushing down strongly and steady hold more than 5 seconds to 10 seconds, so it means that the price is really steady, and possible that the price is going to break down. Okay, this is one of the example. So, but actually the robot will take more consideration. It's not just looking into this shooting star pattern, and the robot will calculate the three candle connect together, and then will calculate the pattern. So after calculate all of this number as a pattern of the candle, and then we decide that this is the shooting star that have 70%, 80% of the bearish into the next candle, then the bot will just place the trade, place the order for you. And in another case, you can also use the robot as the signal. Give when they offer the signal of bearish, then you can make your own judgment just to be like extra careful onto your trade. I think also it's helpful as well. So I really exciting when the program is done. I believe that it can help a lot of traders to make decision better based on their trade. I believe that. So now we hit that support. We see this small gray star doji right there. So it's a type of that. The bear is also getting weak down there, and let's wait for this. I try to push back down, but if this one going to be a green one, it can be a reversal. So I want to put everything into the robot, and the robot just make the decision based on what we given, what it have been given by us, as a human. But sometimes the market is really hard. So like I did, a couple days ago, maybe a week ago on live trade, you see that I also consistently lost a lot of order in the trade as well. So it means that even the robot execute well on our technique, but we cannot avoid the loss of consistent really like 4 or 5 times. So it's really because this kind of a market is really hard also. So I also advise that if you are pro trader, so you don't realize on the robot 100%. So you should also look onto yourself, put the robot into a normal running system, and then just have a look on it. If the robot given a proper signal, then you can follow. But if the robot don't give a proper correct signal as you thinking in your mind, so you don't have to follow the robot 100%. Can be something like that. So before I release the bot, I will also have the demo, will show you how to use the bot properly. I hope that it can be beneficial to our traders. Okay, we got the engulfing pattern. So the robot also calculate this kind of pattern as well, and they will calculate the 3 candles behind them, and to see that if the bearish is really strong. So in this kind of case, the bearish is really strong, but we look into this support here. So when it's come and then it's reject back to be flattened down there, then it's a sign of bearish. But if you don't see this candle reject to the flat area down there, so it's not a good sign to go okay here. So we are trading based on this kinds of judgment. So the bot will also execute well in this kind of condition. So they not just look into the price action, but it also look into the rejection of each of the candles, so that you can make more profit from this kind of trading. But be careful here, we are very close to the support level. That's why we are so close, But I am pretty sure that after the candles cannot rise up, higher, and then it's reject down there. So that is the sign that you can going onto more bearish, because you see this engulfing candle is really a strong bearish, and we can look into this trend here. It's come close to its resistance. That's the reason I am trading onto this one. Okay, that's it guys, just to update, because it's been a week now that I have not updated any video into my YouTube channel. So today just a video that to help you to understand that, because right now I really rushing everything and focus on to making this possible, so that everyone can be benefit from this robot trading. You can also place an auto trade on them, or you can also trade it based on the robot as a signal given to you, and then you can make decision later. Okay, that's it guys for today's video, and I wish you have an amazing day. and have a great result in your trading today. So be careful, guys. Today is OTC. Be safe and have a good one. For now, bye bye.